I am Sharna Khan. I am talking about International Mother Language Day. Mother tongue is a divine gift. From the Holy Quran, we come to know that the most merciful Almighty has bestowed a mother tongue upon each and every caste, creed, and color. Mother tongue is so important that the people of a country express their ideas, thoughts, feelings, emotions, etc. clearly through mother tongue, but it is an irony of fate that the damn rulers of Pakistan tried to impose Urdu as mother tongue upon us instead of Bangla. But the people of our country raised their voice against this unlawful decision. Some of the heroic sons come forward and sacrifice their glorious life for the cause of our mother tongue on the 21st February 1952. Since then, this day is called the Shahid Divas. Every year, we remember this day with solemnity and pay them profound tribute. Now, it is a great pleasure for us that the UNESCO has announced February 21 as the International Mother Language Day, to be observed globally to recognize of the sacrifice of the martyrs for establishing the rightful place of Bangla. It is a great tribute and glowing homage paid by the international community to the language martyrs of Bangladesh. The sacrifices of all the martyrs for championing the cause of their mother tongue have received now a glorious recognition by the people of the world.